a really cool Sephora Favorites kit to review for you, and this is brand new. It's called Give Me Some Sunshine. Look how beautiful this packaging is. We're getting 5 items, and this retails for $29. Getting one Fenty by Rihanna Gloss Balm, a NARS Afterglow Lip Balm, a Lancome Juicy Tubes Original Lip Gloss, Patrick Ta Lip Shine, Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumper. We're gonna try all of them on. I will do swatches for you to see. Just come nicely sealed. I love getting these kits. You can get to try so many different products for a very affordable price. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen's Beauty Style, and let's go ahead and get started. Ooh, look how pretty. For yourself as a gift, oh my god, this is just gorgeous. And as you know, I'm the type of person that I always have either like a balm or a gloss, not so much like lipstick. This one we'll see if it's a must. Let's see how it looks. And let's just read really quickly Sephora has here. So it says, this set containing 5 must-have lip balms and glosses for hydrated plump lips, including a full-size Fenty Gloss Balm and NARS Afterglow Lip Balm. I haven't tried any of these. Like, I've tried the brands but not these specific colors, so I'm excited. First one we have here, look how pretty. It's called a Lancome Juicy Tubes Original, and this is in the color Magic Spell, and you're getting 0.33 ounces. See, hopefully it smells juicy. That's nice. Alright, let's do a swatch first. Like a nice pretty soft pink. Alright, so let's try this on. I don't like my glosses to give me too much color on my lips, so I wouldn't want like it to look pink. That's just me. I think my lips are already like pink. Oh. First of all, it smells amazing. It feels nice. I would feel very comfortable wearing this. And it smells delightful, which is a huge plus. Alright, so in the swatch, it does show like glitter. When you look at it, I mean, you can see the glitter, but it doesn't look like a childish glitter, if you know what I mean. It has like the perfect amount of glitter, because I don't like glitter too much unless it's like on my eyes. Super glittery, you would be able to tell. You could just see like a sparkle here and there. So let me take that off. Now this one, we have Patrick Ta, and all of the packaging looks beautiful on all of these. I've never tried anything from Patrick Ta. If you don't know Patrick Ta, he is a celebrity makeup artist, and he came out with his own line. I know he's done like Gigi Hadid's makeup and several other artists. This one is called She's Expensive. So get 0.1 ounce. Okay, so this is the applicator. Very nice. It's like clear, which, like I said, I love it. I love a clear gloss. Very different scent to this one, but it does have a scent. This one is like super fruity. This one here, I already know how I suck at describing scents, but I don't know why I get like a little minty something else. Is it like chocolate mint? Maybe not. Just never mind. Alright, let me apply this one. Wow. When we're done with this, let me know which one was your favorite out of all. This one feels less sticky than the first one. The first one wasn't like, oh, super sticky, like you just can't deal with it. This one is just like more smooth, like nothing sticky about it. It has a bit of shimmer in it, but not too much. You can't see it a lot. I don't want to say like it has no glitter or shimmer whatsoever, but you can't even notice. It just looks beautiful. And yes, I do feel like a bit of minty sensation. I love that because I pick at my lips so much, so when I feel like a minty sensation, that's why I like medicated lip balms like Carmex or Blistex, because that helps me not pick at my lips. Now I'm really impressed with this formula. Like I said, it's my first time trying it, and I really like this. I don't want to wipe this one off. It's so good. Trying a Fenty Beauty. This is a full size. Wow, I don't think I've ever had a full size Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm, just like the small one that I got in that set that I reviewed. Alright, so this one is called Fuzzy. Got it? This one looks like it's pretty pink, so I don't know how it's gonna be. This one, you get 0.3 ounces. Oh, it actually looks like a beautiful shade. Let's swatch that. It's this one right here. Again, it's called Fuzzy. Let's smell it. So so good. I'll show you the applicator. This one is not sticky. The color is nice, but I do prefer like the other two because they're not as pink, and it's not even like a lot of color, but that's just my personal preference. I don't want to add more color to my lips. Like that's why I like nude lipsticks and stuff like that. I want to like mute it a little. Definitely wear it, but it's not like my number one. Shade wise is not my favorite, but the packaging is gorgeous. The formula is nice. Again, this one has a little bit of glitter, shimmer. You could barely see it on the lips, so if that's something you worry about, like no. And it's not sticky. Sticky as of now has been the one from Lancome, but nothing that's too ridiculous. It smells great, like fruity. So good. What that smells like? Strawberry? Like I'm trying to taste it. I have this one from NARS, packaging from NARS. Definitely saving a lot of money by trying it like this because each one of these individually is gonna cost you. We have the NARS full size Afterglow Lip Balm Orgasm. These two are your full size items, but the others look like full size to me as well. Just look at that. Imagine if you wanted to give it as gifts, you can take each one individually and do it. Look at it. You can't even see it a lot because it's not a gloss, it's a balm. Right here. Smell it. Wow. Could be crazy, but I don't smell anything. I don't smell anything. It gives me more of a color than the other. This one has no shimmer or glitter whatsoever, so that is a plus in my book. Which the others you can barely see it anyway, so love it. Not sticky, super smooth, not too oily. Okay, so getting even more pink of rubbing them. Ooh, look at this. Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I have had this one, but in another color. I think it was like milky or something. And for what I remember, this gloss plumper is intense. Like if you're sensitive or something, I think this will be a lot. But let me see. It's been a while. This one is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumper in Clear Brilliant, and this one is a 0.05 ounce. It's a really nice amount. I really like the design on top. Love that this is clear. Oh my god, that is so delicious. I'm trying to swatch it here. I should have started like here. I don't know why I started there. This one. Oops. This one right here. No colors. Well, let me see if it still feels as extreme as before. The other one that I have of this, I don't even know where it is because I've had it for so long. I believe it was in the color milky or something like that. Like muted my lips a little. Okay, I'm starting to feel it. Like when you just put it on, it's like, oh, okay. But just let it sit. It'll start happening. You're not used to lip plumpers. Some, like, yeah, it'll work. Like this one here, which is my baby, the Buxom one. This is also a lip plumper. That's okay. Like, you don't even feel the effect like that. You just feel like a minty thing. This, ooh, it's happening. I feel like it's just too much for me. It's put hot pepper or something. Or I just ate some really, really spicy wings, which I can totally go for Buffalo Wild Wings right now. I don't know about the plumping. Maybe it does plump, or maybe I've just rubbed my lips so many times. Yeah, this one is extreme. This one is clear. Again, it smells very nice. This one doesn't feel sticky either. Doesn't have any shimmer or glitter, so it's just like a clear, nice gloss. I don't know if it's making my lips red or it's just because of all the scrubbing, but I really like it. My favorite was the Patrick Ta. Like, I'm so excited to have tried it and this brand and everything. I like everything from the start. The packaging, the application, the smell is alright. I don't die for mint chocolate or chocolate mint. I like more like a fruity smell. I have to say the lip injection because it's clear and yes, it's strong, but I mean, I could get over it, okay? I want to have plump lips. I would say the NARS, Lancome, and then the Fenty. So Patrick, Too Faced, NARS, Lancome, and Fenty. I don't know if my lips turned red or because it's just so like intense or just because of the rubbing. I will link this kit down in the description just in case you want to check it out. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, click the little notification bell, that way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.